Rescue teams worked into the night in the Obrera neighborhood in Mexico City, Mexico on September 20. Photo by Carlos Jassa. Reuters. Rescuers continued working day and night Thursday to find any survivors of an earthquake that jolted central Mexico on Tuesday afternoon. The temblor struck on the anniversary of the 1985 quake in the same general area, which killed an estimated 5,000 people, and 12 days after an 8.1 magnitude quake hit southern Mexico. Members of a rescue team hold a fellow volunteer's feet during the search for students at the Enrique Repsamen School in Mexico City. Photo by Daniel Becerra. Reuters. Tuesday's 7.1 magnitude earthquake leveled buildings in Mexico City and surrounding areas, including an elementary and secondary school. Moments of silence punctuated the site, signaled by raised fists, to help workers hear any sounds coming from survivors within the rubble. Updated at 4 p.m. EDT, a Mexican official said Thursday afternoon that all students were accounted for at a collapsed school, where rescuers had been searching for a missing girl, reported the Associated Press. The official said an adult might still be buried in the debris. A rescue worker raises his hands to ask for silence during the search for students after an earthquake collapsed a school. Photo by Edgard Garrido. Reuters. 26 bodies were removed from the school on Tuesday, according to the Education Department. In all, authorities confirmed that at least 245 people had died from the quake and more than 2,000 injuries. According to the Associated Press, 52 people were pulled alive from crumpled buildings. Volunteers form a bucket brigade to remove the rubble from damaged buildings. Photo by Jeanette Rickwell. Reuters. Volunteers formed lines to carry buckets of debris away from damaged sites. Other helpers distributed bottles of water to work areas and neighbors cooked food for the rescuers. Piles of donations, including bottled water, are distributed after the earthquake. Photo by Henry Romero. Reuters. A woman delivers food to volunteers and rescue teams after an earthquake hit Mexico City. Photo by Daniel Becerra. Reuters. A local volunteer rescue brigade called Topos Mexico, which formed after the 1985 earthquake, burrowed under concrete slabs and twisted rebar to try to reach survivors. Mexican President Enrique Pena Nieto, meanwhile, has declared 3 days of mourning. President Donald Trump spoke with him on the phone Wednesday to express his condolences, according to the White House. Rescue workers searched through the rubble for students at Enrique Repsamen School in Mexico City. Photo by Edgard Garrido. Reuters. A rescue dog helps in the search for students at the collapsed school. Photo by Edgard Garrido. Reuters. People in Mexico City watch rescuers at work. Photo by Daniel Becerra. Reuters. Medical stations are set up in the streets to treat those injured from the earthquake. Photo by Jeanette Rickwell. Reuters. A veterinarian offers her services at a market in Mexico City. Photo by Daniel Becerra. Reuters. Toys are recovered from the rubble of a collapsed building. Photo by Jeanette Rickwell. Reuters. People carry caskets of earthquake victims through the streets in Itzala on the outskirts of Puebla, Mexico. Photo by Imelda Medina. Reuters.